Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. So I'm just making myself a smoothie, but I felt like I needed to talk to y'all real quick. Not gonna be long, about as long as it takes for me to make my smoothie. I already have some fresh peaches down in my blender cup. And I'm loving my t-shirt. I got it from this young lady. Her name is Keisha. I do not remember her website. I'm going to have to see if I can find it in an old text message and put it in a description box because I don't remember it. But, and I know she like upgraded the t-shirt since I bought one. I have another one that says heal, it looks better on you. And this one says they have my back. And then down the spine, it says ancestors. I love this t-shirt. So I'm gonna go in with my tropical blend. This is from Target. My Amazon fresh raspberries. This is Whole Foods brand. And I have some frozen bananas that I cut up. I got from Kroger's. So, I was watching a video yesterday, and I like to see how people think. And this brother was basically saying, if you, I think it's called love bombing, but basically if you like go in with a woman and pretend you like her and then pull back, that will make her chase you so that you don't have to chase her, and then you get the girl that you really want, right? Then I was also reading another post that basically said Aquarius women don't do that. If you pursue me and then pull back, you're just going to be out there because I'm not getting ready to chase you. And like I said, I found a post and I put it in my Aquarius group. And I don't know, there may be some Aquarius women who do that. Don't get me wrong, because we're all different, and it does also depend on what other signs are in a person's chart. But I'm not getting ready to do that. If you don't call me, if you don't want to see me, I will not. I'm not going to beg you, and I'm not going to chase you, and I'm not going to be that girl who called and said, oh my God, I wish I would have never said that to you. I wish you would have never done. Like I had somebody tell me, oh, you'll regret it. Why? Because you had another Aquarius that regretted it and called you after years and said she wished. But that was a completely different circumstance. She was out running the street and probably cheating on you. Whereas this is a completely different situation. I'm telling you, I'm not interested in being anybody's side chick or third party or being anybody's rotation, right? So I'm making this choice. And if I know that that's how you are, why would I regret my decision? You know. I'm just saying, and I'm not trying to be funny, but I know that that hurts guys' feelings because I think that that's maybe what they're used to. And they have this expectation that every woman is going to chase them, but every woman is not going to chase you. If you're gone, poof, be gone. On to the next applicant, please. And it'll be done just as easy as you thought you're ready to be chased. Even if even for some people, even if you had sex with that person already, they're not going to chase you. Maybe that's something that people do when they're still in their 20s or 30s. But especially someone older, they're definitely not going to do that with you. They're not going to play that game. Now, don't get me wrong. I know that there are some women who will do it. And if that works for you, and that has worked for you in the past, but you're going to have your ego bruised when you run across that woman that it does not work for. And I'm just saying, because And then you're going to think that she didn't like you, or that the sex wasn't good, or that she was just using you because she wanted to go out to eat and get something to eat. No, it may not be that at all. Again, if you're trying to play mind games, everybody's not going to play mind games. You have to be open and honest and say what you mean and mean what you say and do what you mean. Like, I guess there's this stigma that, oh, if you chase a woman, you're considered a simp. Every woman doesn't think like that, and that's so silly. I think that immature people think that way. I don't think that a mature person thinks that way. And so I think that there's this tendency to lump people in the same category, but everybody's not the same. Even if 99% of the people are the same, there's always that 1%, right? And not only that, this is something that I like to use this example. That may have worked for 10 people, right? And then you run across number 11. And the number 11 is not trying to hear that. Not gonna do it. Just like you'll have some women, you'll verbally abuse them. Whether you know them already or you're just getting to know them, right? You'll say, oh, well, you ain't all that anyway. And then, maybe she initially rejected you. And then she'll come back and say, oh, well, why do you... you didn't have to say that. You didn't have to do all that. If you say I'm not all of that anyway, well, that's fine. Thank you. Because I wasn't, it's fine. Because you was just trying to talk to me. So now you're just mad because I rejected you. So you don't really mean what you're saying. You're not really saying what you mean. You're just mad and you're trying to get back at me and push my buttons, which again, I see as immature. And so I'm not going to fall for your foolishness. I'm going to keep on going. And I'm not going to allow what you said to bother me. That's how that works in my mind, right? But anyway, we're all different. We all have a right to see things the way that we see them, but I'm just letting you know, if you play mind games, normally somebody's going to be playing mind games with you because you attract who you are and not what you want. So if you really want someone, then maybe you should try just saying what you want and acting accordingly instead of listening to what people in society say you should do and play mind games. There are some women who you maybe need to play those mind games with. But is that somebody that you really want to be with? Because guess what? She's probably playing mind games too. And later on down the line, you may find some other things that are really unfavorable about this person. And you may realize that you probably shouldn't have pursued somebody who will call you names because you're not doing what society says that you should do. Because she doesn't want you to open her car door or her door. Or she doesn't want you to pursue her because she thinks that's, what is it, that other term? It's simp and it's something else. And I say this to guys, and it's like it kind of goes over their head. Yeah, but this is what women want. But is that the type of woman that you really want to be with and build a life with? Or is this the type of woman that you just have fun with and move on with your life? And this is not me attacking anyone. I'm just trying to put things into perspective. Right? So I hope that was helpful. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.